Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. I am Areeba here. Today I am drawing a simple beginner's easiest scenery. So here I am using a 2HB pencil. You can use any pencil you are comfortable with. I am using a scale, and first of all I have drawn a line just like this for using the base, and now on the top of that line I am drawing some houses, both symmetrical to each other, just like this. Another house right next to the one I have drawn earlier. So I am drawing it step by step, so watch each and every step, don't miss it. And thank you my Bangladeshi viewers, my Indian viewers, Pakistani viewers, and all over from the world watching me, especially Indonesian viewers. All thank you so much, and happy Ramadan to all. Don't forget to comment on my video, press the like button if you liked my drawing, and do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'm drawing the houses just like this, and further I'm drawing windows and doors in it. My drawings are beginners friendly, so anybody can draw it easily using any stuff you have at your home. So there are no restrictions, you can draw it easily. And I use voiceover just in my videos for the purpose that my viewers may understand it more precisely and they learn more quickly. So if you like my video, please press the like button, and if you have any suggestions you can send me in the comments, and please do tell me, you my viewers, who are watching me from which country.